Design Gurukul is the first institute in India, or the leader in India, providing technical education on colors, research-based information on colors. This is the most comprehensive training on color design, covering all aspects of color, including aesthetic part of the color, remedial part of the color, spiritual part of the color, or healing part of the color. As far as the aesthetic part of the color, we take into consideration how color can be used to add grace and beauty to people and building. Innumerable architects, interior designer, landscape people, beauty related people, landscapists and other people in industry have been using color as a tool to enhance beauty and grace to their products. But after this program, they will be able to understand the technicalities, because all of us feel we know about colors. Yes, we are aware, but we are not technically aware of all details of colors. So aesthetic part is covered in technical details, and it is appropriate for all the people who use it as an attraction tool. Our program, as I said, is comprehensive. It talks about as a remedial tool also, so it is perfect for Vastu experts, perfect for astrologers, perfect for numerologists and other people in industry who have been using colors as a remedial tool for centuries, but they are not clear of the notation or the specification of the color they are giving, the form of color they are giving, the medium they are using, nothing. So why not? If we are using a tool, why not? We should be completely aware of the tool. Not just that, in our comprehensive training, we talk about spiritual or healing aspect of colors. When I am saying healing, we talk about spectrophotometry, in which we use the attuned color waves and colored light specific to particularly correct illnesses. And when I say spiritual part of colors, we do talk about chakras, auras and the other aspects. So it is broadly a program which covers 360 degree of colors. You come to one place, you understand everything of colors, you understand how you can use it in different hemispheres. And second thing, at one point you are able to understand, if you take one decision, how it will affect different areas. For example, you choose a peach color, how aesthetically it will affect, how from a remedy perspective it will affect, how as a spiritual perspective it will affect, or from a healing perspective it will affect. So broadly, you have a consolidated strength and power of colors in totality, and that is what a professional needs to know, completely being informed. So I invite all the people to understand technical world of colors in Design Gurukul.